Yun guys, hapunan natin. Ito na yung hapunan namin guys. Ano siya? Banana Q. Ako lang nagluto nito guys. Bili ko sa saging is tig 50 ang kilo. Ang nabili ko is halagang 40 pesos. So, ayun siya. Tapos, meron kay Winwin dalawa. So, hapunan na namin to guys. Init. May chopstick na naman sa bahay, kaya ang ginamit ko. Ayoko kasi yung sobrang tamis guys, kaya kunting asukal lang nilagay ko. Ayan. Kunti lang. Ayoko yung sobrang daming asukal. Ayoko yung sobrang tamis. Init.
The wolf children had grown and decided to leave the nest. But a few days later, they came back with partners. One of them even beat up a wacky wolf and won the girl over like a bitch.
Ito guys is
The only ones with surprises because the spider came back with her own children.
saging na
Their families were getting big,
saba.
so Hiraku began farming so he can feed them. But as he farmed, the spider began sounding the alarm. Hiro
Saging na
went to
saba.
the source along with Hiraku, and in the middle of the forest, they found a silver-haired girl crying. All of the animals were apprehensive, and she tried asking him for help, so Hiraku approached her. But as he tried to cover her, he fell for her trap, and the girl jumped towards him to take a bite of his meat, transforming into a plot-filled vampire. The wolves attacked her right away and began destroying her,
Mukbang.
causing her to transform back into her little thing. He wondered if she was his enemy.
Masarap kainin pag mainit, pero hindi mo naman makain pag sobrang init.
Feeling bad for how hard his dogs had beaten her up, he offered her a bite of his neck, and she began sucking his... Sorry, I meant she began
Sarap ng hapunan guys.
She transformed back into a bigger version of herself, but Hiraku remembered her being taller and having more plot, so he told her to hurry the up and suck more of his blood so he can see her giant plot again. After sucking all of his bodily fluid, Hiraku showed her around his farm. It was her first time seeing these abnormal fruits, and when she took a bite of them, she thought they were delicious. He was glad someone was enjoying his food, because for the first time, he found a person he could enjoy spending time with in this lonely.
Buti na mura nga nung saging guys. 50 ang kilo. Pero mahal na yun sa akin. Painan mo win. At buti na lang. Wala akong battle.
Red and blue on it. I want to buy it too. Nico, you can't have that's a shady thing. You can't just copy shady. Serious? Come on, Nico, you gotta be a rich man. That's his thing. It's time to start a long descent at home. I feel like I'm in a desert and I haven't had water for weeks.
Did you not drink from the water fountain at your gym?
No, I don't trust that thing. Every kid drinks from that.
Okay, for watching.